welcoming you all to Bangladesh Apparel Expo. And this is the last day of the Expo. So we will try to understand the experience and take away the exhibitors are taking away from Apparel Expo. And we are now in the experience group booth. So of course, this experience group, probably you already know about the company. This is one of the leading diversified textile manufacturing company in Bangladesh. Though they are new in Bangladesh, but they have a long experience of producing textiles. Whatever I know, the company is based in UK, and then they have their operations in Pakistan and some other countries as well. Today with us we have Mr. Osama Maksud, director of the company, and also Mr. Naeem, he is the head of merchandising, and Mr. Kiran, merchandising manager. So thank you all for your time. We will have a quick discussion based on what the response you got from the exhibition and what you have exhibited in particular, Mr. Osama.
So basically, this Dhaka Apparel Expo, we booked the booth last minute. We had no idea this was actually even happening. So we were quite surprised to see that the expo was taking place, and we definitely wanted to book a booth. Overall, the experience was very well. I mean, we met quite a few customers. I think if the expo was marketed a little bit better, there was more branding ahead of time, then I feel like we'd have more customers visit. But unfortunately, this time I don't think what we expected, the results weren't the same. But overall, we're satisfied, and we had an opportunity to display all our products and the variety of products we do. Made a lot of connections, met a lot of people. So these are what these events are important for: building connections, building relationships. That's the most important thing, and we're happy to be here and happy to represent our company. And we're also exhibiting in the Denim Expo as well, and the response in the Denim Expo was excellent. So we are quite satisfied, and I'm really thankful to BGME, Mr. Mostafiz as well, for helping organize these events. And for having Made in Bangladesh Week, I think it's a necessity for all of us to, appreciate we're the second largest garment manufacturer, textile producer in the world. So it's important for us to have at least a week to showcase that our products, our sustainability goals for the next coming years. Yeah, thank you.
Interestingly, I'm seeing products in this booth of in a wide variety of products. From lingerie to overcoats, and also for the ladies, I'm seeing a lot of fashion items as well. Mr. Naeem, can you inform us about your product range and what are the product range you can deliver to the brands?
Thank you. We are doing like a wide range of product. So starting from like light wovens to heavy outerwear, both on denim and non-denim. And then also recently we have started the down jacket project also. So we have started like one floor for down jackets. And also we have started like 25 lines for lingerie, so 2 years before. So with current product portfolio, we are covering almost entire product range, from fashion to workwear to lingerie. Apart from that, we are well equipped to do all products, So covering all genders, like for children, for men and for ladies wear. Thank you.
Doing such a big range of products is of course challenging. So how do you integrate the operations, and what are the operations you have in internal and external, and also the supply chain?
Yeah, doing this kind of wide like a product or multi-product line is a challenge, in all aspects, right from marketing to procurement to manufacturing, But we are doing it for many years now. So we have a well-trained staff, both in marketing, merchandising, and then in production team. So we are our teams are capable, to switching the product type, within the same line. So we have in the same line we can do shirts, in same line we can do trousers, and then the same line we can do outerwear as well, on different variation of fabrics like light georgette or chiffon to heavy denim to PU. So that's how we are working since many years. So we have our capability. That's developed our capability. So doing this multi-product.
Great. We are listening that there is a order shortage, order fall in the market. In this expo and before that, how was the trend? In which range you are getting more response nowadays, Mr. Mr. Kiran?
Thank you very much. Actually, we are in a global crisis situation. Almost all of the world have an uncertain condition nowadays. So nobody can guess what is going on in next. So that we are in very poor response from the customer now. Overall, all of the store in the outside abroad is selling very slow. They have overstock. Considering that, we are getting very poor response and less inquiries compared to the last season and last year as well as.
Okay. So in that case, how are you planning for the coming days? Because the challenge, there are some challenge from the outer market. So what is your next plan?
So, like my team already said, this is kind of a crisis mode right now, right? We're lacking in orders. The customers aren't showing us strong forecasts for order placement. So I think right now our goal is just to make sure our factories are running and that we can afford to pay salaries. And that's the plan. We'll see. We'll manage the crisis as it comes, right? We don't know what the future is right now, but we're staying optimistic. And we have to stay positive and we have to hope for the best. Clothing is a necessity. And hopefully when the world market recovers, we will also benefit from that.
Do you think your diversity will help you to get better in this crisis moment?
Definitely, because we are actually, we have a lot of bottoms here in the back here. So we're quite good with ladies' bottoms, gents' bottoms. But during this exhibition, I was quite surprised to see many people did not know we did outerwear. Many people did not know we were doing dresses, we're using viscose, we have all over print. They did not know that. So the fact that we were able to represent all these products that we do, the amount of products we do, even the workwear and underwear. A lot of people had no idea that we do the underwear business as well. So there was a significant interest in that. So it's good to have a multi-product capability because that way we can cater to any specific product type. And no matter the market situation, we can find something to do. So that's our benefit. Yes, I do agree with you. And lastly, I just want to say I'm very happy with my team. Both the Denim Expo and Apparel Expo we've exhibited. And I'm confident that this will be fruitful for us. And also, lastly, thank you to Textile Today for covering both the expos and just in general, keeping the textile and garment industry relevant. Thank you.